Okay, guys, here we go. May 17th. Here is the recap. Actually, this is not the recap. This is actually the prep for tomorrow on the Emini. So let's go to the ES quickly. Let's go to the daily chart, guys. Here I have it on the screen. Yesterday, we talked about here in the room about the fact that we were coming pretty close to that 20 moving average. Let me change my color here for you to see it. We closed a little bit above the 20. Today we held right about, look at the body of the candle for today, right around the 20. Overnight, still the same, printing right around the 20. So we are right now in no man's land when it comes to the E-mini, guys. We're stuck right at the 618 fib, which was 4160. I believe that was the settle. Let me show you quickly. Settle for today. Yeah, right around 4160 for the E-mini. Now, value, guys, today, even though we have the big move, of course, after the 4% drought from last week, we dropped around 4% on the S&P. We did see a little bounce Thursday and Friday, right off the top of that. You remember that 40, what was it, 40-50 move. Now, look at where we are, guys. Today, we are right at 4166 overnight, right? We are printing Globex 4166. But value from today was lower, right? Overlapping lower. So this doesn't give me much confidence. Excuse me. Doesn't give me much confidence coming into tomorrow. We still have an inside day today. The whole day was a rotational day this morning as we were trading in the room. So what to expect tomorrow? Please, tomorrow, look for this 66. I think the 66.67 is the line in the sand for me personally from what I've seen on the screen. Let me show you why. You see I have it marked down right here, right? This is the 41.67. That is the line in the sand. Why would this be the line in the sand for me if you are bullish this market? Well, this 45.67, remember, this is the one that gave us all these areas of value right on those 41.80s and ultimate gave us the move back to the 42.38, right? This was the ultimate move after we were balancing here around the 41.50s, 41.84. So what to expect from the market? Now you are here on this range above the 67 that can give us that 41.80 again on the E-mini. So pay close attention when we open tomorrow morning. Let's see if this 41.67 will propel us higher, right? That is the line for me personally, and the insights that I'm giving my guys in the room is to look, we had this balance, and this was the balance that gave us that 42.38. So if the bulls are really going to come into play once again, this is the number to be playing for, between 41.84 to 41.67. So coming tomorrow morning as we open the market, currently we are now 41.67, right at it for the overnight. As we open the room tomorrow morning, we'll see where we stand. For me, again, I'll be paying close attention to this value area low, which was around the 41.43 for today. Let me zoom in a little bit for you to see what happened today in the markets, right? I will do just a tiny small recap here, what happened today in the markets. So as the morning came along, I was live with the guys trading at ES Live 8. As we were trading this morning and I came live, went to YouTube, I gave the guys a couple of trades and I even told them to wait for this 35 level. One of my guys, he grabbed about 25 points on this move off the low right around 36 all the way to 60. Now, as we were dropping this morning, I told you guys should expect a rotational day. I mean, we open, not only do we open today in the morning, we open inside value, inside balance, inside day. So it was a pretty straight up a rotational day, and that's exactly what we got for the E-mini. So coming in tomorrow morning, again, you will be having a potential move again to open inside this big Friday day. You guys recall this was an amazing move that we did all the way from the 41.30s to 41.78. So it is important for these guys now to balance around this area. So for tomorrow morning, look for this value, right? This 41.54, 41.42. If we go inside this range, guys, tomorrow morning as we open the market, good chances are we will revisit these 40s. If we don't see that, then again, the move is to go for that 41.84, all right? So I will be giving you some of the targets as we come along. The first target is going to be that overnight high. As of right now, it's too early to tell. This is just a pre-market video during the Globex. Tomorrow morning, as we open the room, I'll give you guys the details in the trading room. All right, so that's what I have for you guys. I want to show you again before I close this video, right? What does it look like on the bigger picture? What is the bigger time frame looks like, okay? The bigger time frames when it comes to the Emini, guys, the S&P 500, is the move above this 41.84. I think it's really important that we break this 41.84. Excuse me, let me draw it on the other end. It's really important that we break this 41.84 to the top so that we can print again these 4200s, okay? 42.13. Remember, we have some singles right there that we left on the drop. About 8 points right here between 42.06 and 42.13. But for tomorrow, what is important is, are we going to open higher than the 41.67? Right? Are we going to open much higher than this line, 41.67? And if we are opening higher than this line, will we go to 41.84? It's all about the price auction as we open tomorrow morning. Start looking for those two numbers. If we drop below the 52, then of course we're probably going to be revisiting this 41.42 and even the 41.36. Remember, we have this gap on my charts. Those of you who follow me in the room, I still have the gap. This is the gap from Friday. Still there. We have not corrected any of this move back to 41.28. So pay close attention as to where the market will open tomorrow. Any move below this 56, right? Any move below the 56, look for the 44, 42s, and eventually 41.36, which is the low for the previous day, for Monday. All right, guys, so this is what I have for you guys as a market prep for tomorrow morning. Please come to our room, come and join us, eslive8.com. Don't forget, every day, daily, we go live at 11 a.m. Eastern, live on YouTube for free, completely free, where you can come and ask questions. We go over insights on the Emini, crude oil, and we do a bunch of stocks here in the room. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you like what you've seen in the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you get notifications when I go live or when a brand new video gets uploaded to YouTube. Take care, guys. God bless. I'll be seeing you guys in the trading room. Peace out.